Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and I'm starting out this video. I've wanted to film this video for so long. I live in college and I eat food, so grocery shopping is part of my weekly task. I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along as Taylor and I go grocery shopping. We're both sick right now, so if we seem low energy, then that explains it. I have my list of things. I basically go through Pinterest and recipe books and write down everything I need for those and then other random stuff. And then we have this lovely list on the side of our fridge, which we keep track of random stuff as we go through it. So we have toilet paper, emergency, gallon bags, tissues, coffee, half and half, milk, eggs, and dishwasher pods. And I'm sure we're gonna buy more because it's the start of the term. We have literally nothing in our fridge, so we're gonna stock the fridge, bring you guys along, and then I'll do a haul and show you guys what we get. Taylor and I do a weird thing where we have to go to today we're going to 3 stores, but we usually go to 2. And that's because Trader Joe's doesn't necessarily have all the brand name stuff that we want, but they have like a bunch of other stuff we like. So we're just annoying, we have to go to multiple stores. But the Albertsons is conveniently located across the street, so it really works out for us. Oh no, dude, they're out. Twist. Am I stupid? Oh. We're gonna die from germs. Are they all organic? No, they're all organic. I want the big chunks. Like this is a good one. You want a yellow? I always get tomatoes. These are my favorite. I use them for a ton of different dishes, so these are going in. Look, T1 got her favorite thing ever. Cauliflower pizza. We're doing well. We only have like 3 more aisles to go. We successfully guesstimated the right amount of bags. Oh my god, it worked, T1. Well, next time we'll be sanitary. We get a lot of questions about how T1 and I divvy up the groceries, like who pays for what. And I think it's interesting because every roommate couple does it differently. Everyone does it so differently. But it just you have to figure out what works for you and your person. Your person, your buddy. No, but for us, it's like we eat pretty much the same thing. If I cook a meal, like Taylor's gonna eat the meal too. We're always splitting meals. So if we go grocery shopping together, we just split it up at the checkout line and we get like pretty close every time. And we just like don't care. We're not like counting dollars up in here. Like, yeah, it always works out. And then it's kind of like, then it's like it makes it easier for like, it feels like just as much my food as Kiara's food. I'm not gonna feel bad for like eating like her peanut butter or something. Because at the end of the day, like we're all sharing everything. And of course, like I'm not gonna eat T1's cauliflower pizza without asking her, but for the most part, like it does work out. And then it's just kind of like more of a communal thing. And we're not so like nitpicky of like, my food, your food. But it just has worked well for us, but that's not the answer for everyone. And also we live in a 2-bedroom apartment, so there's literally 2 of us. And we're not having to calculate this. Obviously, like the system wouldn't necessarily work for like 5 people.
Why does it smell like dogs?
I can't really smell right now. The hunt for avocados is always really hard in the college town, but Albertsons has better ones. That one's good. That one's like getting there. We can get one that can take some time to ripen. This one says it's ripe. Do we believe him? So T1's over there getting our lovely, yeah, I think we should get 2 as well. She's getting our coffee. I'm looking at the tea right now. I feel like we have chamomile. Oh yeah, these ones we always get.
The yogi ones?
Yeah, which one should we get? Have you had mango ginger?
Mm-mm.
Well, let's do a mango ginger. Well, I feel like that's good for now, maybe. Oh. Party foul. I know, I want awake English breakfast. Ta-da! I cannot find the chickpeas, and I think I found them. No, these are garbanzo beans. Oh, where are the chickpeas? I'm Googling it. That's what we do now. What aisle are the chickpeas? In the bean aisle, that's where I'm at. Ugh. Why do the garbanzo beans look like chickpeas? Oh, they're literally the same bean. Okay. We found the Holy Grail cheese, so we must buy. Just got home. No, we really didn't just get home. We ate food, and then I laid out all of the things we bought. Here is our haul. I'm gonna try to go kind of speedy because this is a lot of food. We probably wouldn't buy this much on a weekly basis, but we literally have no food, so we're restocking. We have all the produce over here. I got a bunch of vegetables to make a dish with this chicken, and then we put it in the oven and we bake all these vegetables. We use a lot of lemon and lime for avocado toast, for white wine, pasta, all sorts of good things. So I have a lot of lemon, lime, sweet onion, bell peppers, cilantro and parsley for some dishes that I'm gonna be making for lunches. I have an English cucumber, carrots, more carrots. This linguine pasta from Trader Joe's is so good. We also got pasta sauce to go with it. This we're trying, T1 found this. It's everything but the bagel yogurt dip. So we thought this would be good for our carrots and we're excited about that. Got more honey. Trader Joe's has this really good honey. And I got some raspberries, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers for another dish I'm making. T1 got granola bars, we got eggs, then I got some crumbled feta with Mediterranean herbs, so I'm excited to try that. We also have a lot of zucchini. I'm gonna make a dish out of this, but it's also really good to throw in the oven. This is really exciting. Trader Joe's has fun cauliflower quinoa salad, so if I'm ever feeling lazy, I can just eat this for lunch. We have shelled edamame for another dish I'm making. T1 got stuff to make quesadillas. We got more toilet paper because we almost ran out, but we didn't. And then this is our sickness area. We each got a tissue box and we each got emergency, but they ran out of emergency, so we had to get the generic, like Albertsons kind. T1 got cough drops. We got some coffee, some Dawn dish soap, avocados, literally our holy grail, ginger, a shallot, this salsa, because I brought chips from home, orange juice. T1 uses the coconut milk creamer, and sometimes I use half and half, sometimes I use that. More Dijon mustard to make this dressing for one of my dishes. Some couscous for my dish. Also, these are garbanzo beans that I literally thought chickpeas were different than garbanzo beans, but they're actually the same, so learned something new today, and I got 2 cans of those to make a dish. This is some chili powder. I don't have this actually, and I'm always wanting to make my dishes a little bit spicier, and this was only $1.90, so we bought it. This is our favorite cheese. I showed this when we were shopping, and we love it so much. We usually get the big block because we'll go through this like very, very, very quickly. But yeah, this is our holy grail, and it wasn't on sale, so we just bought the little one. And then we also got gallon-sized Ziploc bags. And then I think the only thing, I put this in the fridge because we were eating. I got milk as well. And I know it's milk, but my parents call it milk, so yeah, we got some milk or however you say it. And oh, we also got Greek yogurt to make some smoothies. So that is our official haul. That's everything that we got. Yeah, if you guys liked this video and kind of seeing what we shop, I'll do some more of these because it's always different. We're always kind of picking up some new items if I'm trying a new recipe. And if you guys wanted to see a cook with me, I've made one quite a few months ago, just talking about some of my favorite go-to recipes. So I can definitely make an updated one because I have new recipes and new things that are kind of like our go-to dishes that we always will make. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic, productive week. I hope you're eating healthy. I hope you're eating well. Thanks for watching. Adios.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night,